So I'm going to be showing you all how I install my wigs, literally from start to finish, everything, all the steps in between, what I use, how I apply it, just everything. For those of you that have wanted to know, and those of you that asked before, here's the video. I hope you guys enjoy. So before we start this video, I just wanted to thank Addy Pearl Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair. Literally guys, this hair came like this. I didn't do anything to it. Came curled, came dyed, with the skunk look, and pre-plucked. If you want to know more details about the hair, you can just link in the description box. Let's start this video. So what I use for to lay down my wig, I use the Got to Be Glued water resisting spiking glue. Apparently this works for stronger hold than the Got to Be Glued spray. I saw it from my friend, she uses it. This is the second time I'm attempting to use it. The first time I tried using it, it didn't really I don't think I applied it properly, but we're trying it again here. Excuse my comb, it got burned by when I was straightening my hair with the straightener and combing it. Just ignore that comb, doesn't matter. But this is what I use now, so I'm just gonna apply it around my head, and not close, it's close to the hairline but not on the hairline. Please remember that you don't want to be making your hairline go away, so just apply it close to your hairline, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go around my head and just apply that. So I'm just gonna go in with a hairdryer just to make the glue more dry and all that. You will start seeing the glue become more clear, and that's when it's ready. So now I'm going to take the lace and put it on glue. So when I do this, I start in the middle first and go to the sides, because this just creates a nice seamless look for the lace, because sometimes the lace can be bumpy and all that, so we don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to let the glue sink into that lace, literally. So I'm just gonna rub it with my hand just to flatten the lace into the glue and all that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all how it looks when it glues. As you can see, it's giving hairline. It's literally stuck on, it's stuck. It's stuck on me. This is how it looks, and I'm just gonna apply a rubber band to to set it in more. So I'm just gonna leave it in for I leave it in for about 10 to 15 minutes, and yeah. I'm just gonna put it around where the glued part is, so it can just flatten. This is where the lace starts to melt. This helps to melt the lace. So I'm just gonna put it around, as you can see, and yeah. So as I let the rubber band just melt, you know, the lace, I'm just going to be starting to like take out and like hair where I want my baby hair to look. You see, it looks melted. So I'm just taking out hair where I want my baby hairs to be. So I'm gonna take out one the side, then the other side, you know, 2 swoops. Then also by where, you know, your hairline ends. So I like that full baby hair look. I haven't really tried other baby hairstyles, but this is my go-to and I love it. So as you can see, I'm taking it out. I'm going to be doing the same on the other side. So yeah. Okay, so when I started to, you know, take out the baby hair on the side, I started to see that there's not a lot of space that shows that it's the baby hair. So I started unplucking like hair, so it can just create a more like seamless look and look like it's baby hair, you know. So after I do that, I took out the rubber band and I'm starting to cut out the lace. So I use scissors, but if you want to know how, you know, to cut a lace properly, I suggest, you know, to use eyebrow razor, because that's way more better. I use scissors now because like I think I'm so used to like using it now that I know like what I am doing now, if you could say. So I am just cutting out like literally very close to the hairline, but leaving out some space and going in a zigzag motion, because you don't want your, you know, your lace to look straight. So you need to make it look, you know, seamless and look like it's your hairline, and make it look like, you know, it mustn't look like it's visible, you know, it mustn't look visible. So I'm just going to cut it around and you'll see how it looks after that. So as you can see, my lace started lifting on the side, which is totally fine. I just probably didn't apply enough glue, which is okay. You can start seeing like, you know, the lace, but that's because, you know, you're cutting the lace, which is no problem at all. We are just going to apply got2b glue spray to, you know, blend it in with your skin and, you know, melt it again. So yeah. So as you can see, as I'm applying the spray, it makes the, you know, lace more blended in. But after this, I'm going to take the rubber band and melt it down again. So as I'm waiting for, you know, the rubber band to melt that lace, I'm going to start styling the hair. So I wanted to show off, you know, that dyed brown hair more, the skunk look more. So I'm going to go with a side part. So where the side part is, I'm going in with my wax stick. So I got this last month. Yeah, I got this last month. Literally the best thing ever. So this wax stick allows you to, you know, like flatten down your hair, you know, when you hot comb it. Like when you go in with the hot comb, you will literally see what it does. It's literally so amazing. So if you want it, I can put a link on where I got it. And yeah, so I'm just going in with it like around the hair where I want it to, you know, look flattened. So this is how it looks. You see, it's so, I love this thing. This is probably my best product ever. So I'm going in with it. So I repeat the same, like, you know, motion into the hair with the hot comb, so that you know, it just creates, you know, that side part and makes it look, you know, more visible as possible. And yeah. I took out the rubber band and now I'm cutting the baby hairs. As you can see, I have like a certain way I cut them so they become like short to long, and that's how I like them, because it creates there's like the swoop becomes way nicer, if I may say. Then I take a straightener and I start curling the baby hairs so that the swoop can be more, you know, swooped, you know. And then I go in with my sorbet mousse. So this is just mousse. You can get it like at your local stores, you feel me? And I just go in with it and apply it on the like baby hairs. As you can see, it becomes wet, and I'm just gonna take my brush and yeah, swoop that baby hair. So right now I'm just applying concealer. So this is like a shade lighter or like the same shade as me, whichever. So I'm just putting it on, so you know it creates like, you know, that line that shows that this is the side part. It makes it look like it's more of, you know, your hair, if I may say. And yeah, I'm just going in again with the hot comb and just flattening the hair, just defining it more. And this is the final look, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope this video helped. As you can see, the hair is looking amazing. Like, it looks good, it looks gorgeous, and it's giving, you know, scalp as it should. That's what we want. That's what we want. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope, you know, you guys, you know, benefit from this video, and I hope it helps you. This is just a close-up. I just want to show you all how it looks, you know, close up. And yeah, thank you so much to Ali Pearl Hair for sponsoring this video. And yeah.